So I wanted to give you guys a quick little initial review of Wigs, and that's a new and up and coming hair company that sells virgin hair. And I've seen a few people on YouTube done reviews for them, so I wanted to do my own review. My package came in a DHL Express package, and it actually came in 7 days. It came in a white back box like this. It came well packaged, and it also came with a elastic band, which I appreciated a lot because it helped out a lot. And now you are seeing me showing the hairline of the wig. This is actually a 360 body wave hair, and it comes with baby hair already in it. And what I like about this particular wig is that the hairline is very natural. The whole look on the wig is natural, and it has a natural density. So I'm just trying to show you guys how the wig looks. And as you can see, the ending part of the bundles or the hair look a bit sparse. I will say that that was not something that I enjoyed about this wig. The ends look a bit sparse, as you can see right there. And that's what I'm trying to show you guys in this clip. So in this next clip, I'm trying to get my camera at an angle so I can show you. And this is where I had some issues with Wigs. So the base of their wefts right here is very thick, but the ends of the weft is not, and that's what you call a beard. A beard in virgin hair is what they use to pack the wefts so they can use less hair and make the hair look full at the same time, and I don't appreciate that. As you can see, there's a lot of space in between the wefts, and also that's why this wig kind of look very thin, and that's why the wig looks a bit thin in my opinion. I popped the wig on my head just to show you guys the hairline. My hair isn't braided down or anything. I just wanted to show you guys how it looked on my head. It's an okay wig. I actually cost less than $150. That's how it looked on my head once I installed it, braided down my hair and all that. If you're on a budget, I feel like it's a good company. And if you don't like thick bundles, because I'm used to 4 bundles of hair, and you're more like a natural person and you like natural hair, I feel like this would do well for you. But if you're like me and you expect like thicker hair, you would want to actually get an additional bundle when you're buying a wig from Wigs. And it's cheap, it's affordable, and you can afford to get an extra bundle. It won't break the bank. So those are my initial thoughts. Stay tuned for when I install the wig and show you guys how it looks on my head. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here. Deuces.